Hello there, welcome to the next channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching this in the globe. Welcome to the next channel again. Now today I'm going to discuss different areas of sewing to you instead of us starting this pattern. Okay, so I'm postponing this for maybe a week or two, and I'm going to walk you through a whole bunch of books. But first, always go to the library and look for the book and make sure it's something that you want to buy. Don't let me show you a book and then you run out to go buy that you're not going to use. So any book that I show you on this video, as I said, it's going to be maybe 2 or 3 videos back to back. First, again, go to the library, look for it, and then see if it will be something that you'll be interested in, because there's a whole lot of different areas of sewing, not just ladies and children and men. There's a whole lot. So I'm going to walk you through a couple of them today, and then I'll do it back to back as I said earlier. So first of all, let me walk you through some quilting. Okay, and I'm not going to open any of the books. I'm not going to flip it through it. So there's quilting, and also nobody is sponsoring me for all these books. It's just my books that I've had for years. Okay, so these are different types of sewing, areas of sewing. And any book that I showed you or I show you, I'll put it in description box. Okay, so now we've done this. Now let's go into lingerie. Okay, this is also, I have about 2 more books. I can't find them. I don't know where I put them. So also lingerie that you can venture. It's good for you to sometimes sew something different, okay, to stay away from the normal ones that you keep sewing and then venture into something different. It opens your mind, it opens your eyes to different areas of sewing. Okay, so I've shown you quilting, lingerie, home decor. Okay, home decor. So drapes, curtains, cushion covers, pillows for, what do you call it, sofas in the living room, or pillows for your bed. Okay, so there. And then this is another book for dressing your windows. Same. Okay, and then that's another book. This is a different book. And some of you might even be interested in doing, what do you call it, upholstery. You never know. Some of you might venture into that. So as I keep repeating, go to the library, get the books, look through it before you run out to go buy them. Okay, and what else was I going to venture? I'm looking at my time. Okay, there's also books for plus women. Okay, I hope you can see it, and I'll put them all down in the description box. You can even venture into repairing alterations. Okay, but alterations is a little bit tricky. For you to get into repairing clothes, you had to know and also be a little bit experienced of knowing how garment sits on the body. That will help you a lot for you to be able to do alterations. So this one also, and this one, I'm showing you these two. That will help you with your alterations. by knowing how to fixing patterns to fit the bodies. That will also help you to be able to do alterations. Okay, so I've shown you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So far I've shown you 9 books. So should I show you one more? Oh, 10. So I've shown you 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 or 10. I'm getting mixed up. So I don't want to go over it for a long time, otherwise they'll cut me off if I'm editing. So this will be the end of the video, and happy sewing. I'll see you next week. Thank you. Bye-bye for now. See ya. Hello there. I forgot to let you guys know that all these books that I'm showing you, walking you through step by step, I will post it back to back. I won't wait weekly like my normal video time. So it might be one every other day, or every 3 days I'll post it out. Okay, so it will be, as I said, it will be back to back. So look, I hope you'll be looking forward to it after the first one. Thank you so much. Bye bye.